An organization called the Hbdrf Border Dispute Redressal Forum today submitted a memorandum at the office of the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister opposing the notification of Assam government issued way back in the year 1951, which had included Block 1 and Block 2 areas as under North Kachar District Council. Members of the organization, Thomas Basar, also said that they want Meghalaya government to refer the areas as Block 1 and 2 sector and not as Siar and Khanduli sector.
And the office of Chief Minister. And this letter, we have informed the government regarding the decision that was taken in the meeting held at Joai on the 14/10/2023, wherein all the NGOs from Jainte Hills were present in the meeting. The number one resolution is that we have again reiterated that we totally oppose the notification dated 13 April 1951 issued by the government of Assam back then, because this notification has been issued and included the Block 1, Block 2 area to the North Kachar Hills District Council at that time without proper verification of the residents of the villages.
And now for the weather report. The max